YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don1914 here to bring you another sneaker review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. All my OGs, welcome back. And we're kind of bringing you an early review to the channel today. And these dropped on Kith. And like I said, if you're not following on X, if you're not following Sneaker Twitter or Soul Links, then you're missing out because they just drop, you know, links whenever a shoe just randomly dropped. These shoes randomly dropped on Kith. And I was able to get in and purchase my pair. Now I purchased this pair, this was Thursday. They arrived on Friday, like the next day. So I've had this pair since Friday. So that's the quickest, I mean, shipping was $10, but I mean, it was less than 24 hours that I had the shoe in hand. So shout out to Kith for the quick shipping, man. That, I mean, you can't get no better than that unless you're doing overnight and paying for it. But this regular shipping next day with less than 24 hours, you can't beat that. So these shoes don't drop until April 18th. So this is an early review. This is one of my shoes that I did want this year. I missed out on the highs, so I'm glad I was able to cop the lows, and I'm eager to see what they look like in hand and get into the review. So before we start all that, go ahead and subscribe now, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop new videos. And let's go ahead and get into this unboxing review and on feet. So this gave you the receipt. That's from Kith. And let's go ahead and get into the box now that we got it open. Pull these out. Slide that to the side. And cool, nice box. And let me go ahead and read the sizing tag real quick. Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG Sail Black Golden Harvest. This is a size 10. Of course, you know it's a personal pair for me. Size 10 is what I wear in all my low tops, mostly, especially Jordan 1s. Flip the lid. Nothing really on the inside of the lid, but your black Nike swoosh and swoosh written out at the bottom. Right there on the top of the lid. You get one sheet of tissue paper. Pull that out. Here's the shoes. Now, right off the bat, I'm looking at the quality, and it's crazy. We might have to go under the lights for this one. I'm gonna see if I can just do it, you know, sitting right here. But again, one set of tissue paper, no green stamps or anything like that. And then you do get your box dimensions right up there. So that's enough of the box. Let's get into the shoe. And well, let's look at the box as far as like the color. So you do get this Golden Harvest color with that red Nike on the top. Got Nike on the side. Nike on the sides here. And then you got your sizing label right here. Cool, so enough of the box. Let's get into the kicks. Like I said, here's the kick. So, man, let me just take a look. Yeah, material is crazy on here. Wow, it's just like the highs. I didn't own the highs, but I did have the highs in hand before when they came out back in the day. And the materials do look exact. It's just a low version of the high. Without further ado, let's get into the review of the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Rookie of the Year. All right, let's get into it. And like I said, man, the materials is just, I mean, let me just show you the materials real quick. I mean, look at the leather. Look at the leather quality that's on the toe box. On the side panel right here, you can see, look how tumbled that is. And then on the medial side as well, side panel. I mean, and if you see in here, I mean, that's just plush. It's crazy. And then the suede, you got a nice suede as well on the upper as well. And it looks like it has that two-tone motion. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it looks like it does have that two-tone motion right there. It's crazy. All right, so outsole, all black Jordan 1 Classic outsole. Midsole, it almost looks like a sail to me. It doesn't look like a pure white, looks like a sail. Let's move to the upper of the shoe. You have those you know, white side panels or sail side panels, nice and plush with the black swoosh. Toe cap. You got that Harvest brown toe cap going around the front and the heel of the shoe. Move to the back of the shoe. You got that Jordan Wings logo in black. And let me see how it's yeah, it's not really embossed or debossed. It's just like kind of just like stamped on there on the suede part on the back of the shoe. Around the ankle, you got a black ankle liner. Nylon tongue with the Nike in red. outlined in that black tab, black laces. You do get a pair of spare laces, I believe. I may be wrong, but we'll look into that. I don't know if you, and matter of fact, I don't know if you got spare laces with this pair, but we'll look into that. Get that, like I said, that nice plush toe box, sail toe box. It's beautiful. I mean, I just can't get over how good the material is on this pair. So they did an excellent job on this pair. Also, let me see here, the inside, they come with shoe paper. Got your black laces, of course, black laces. Inside, you just got that black insole with the Nike Air and your sizing tag. And on the back of the tongue, you just got your Nike branding. Nothing real special on the back of the tongue. Now, I will say this tongue looks, is it just me or this tongue looks short? I don't know, maybe I'm tweaking, but for some reason that looks like a shorter tongue than you have on the regular Jordan 1 lows. Maybe I'm just tripping, but just wanted to pause for a second. Just got a notification that, sorry, you didn't make it this time. So yeah, I took an L, man, on a Kobe's with the Kobe. So again, like I said, luckily my brother, yeah, there you go right there, look, got that. Next time. Dang, that hurts. But hey, it is what it is. We still got sneakers tomorrow. I still put in a bunch of raffles, so you will see. My brother still got a lot more chances as well. So hopefully I'll get my personal pair at some point. But let's get back into the review. So, like I said, this is a nice shoe, and let me see if it came with extra laces. No, it doesn't come with extra laces. Definitely didn't have any in the box. So it just comes with your regular pair of spare laces. Nothing different on the right pair compared to the left pair. Same lateral, back of the shoe. Got your front and medial side, all the same. And you know, sometimes you get pairs where one shoe is more, I guess, tumbled than the other, but these are both plush. Both the materials in the same part of the shoe as far as the side panel and the toe box and the suede that's on it are premium. So good job Nike on this pair. Beautiful. So for those who didn't get the highs like myself, this is a nice consolation prize. And trust me, when you get these in hand, you will see how great the quality is on them, and you will be definitely pleased with this pair. So I don't want to keep it too long. It is a Jordan 1 low. You know, so it's not too much to go over. I do want to get into the on foot. So before we do that, comment down in the comment section below. Are you going for a pair of these? Is this on your must cop list for the year? Tell me what you think about this shoe in the comment section down below. And yeah, for me, my overall opinion, I love them. I love them. These are fire, man. The materials to the leather quality, to the price range. Hopefully, you know, with the tariffs, hopefully we can keep that price range where it is. You know, Nike help us out. And you know, one thing I did notice, the swoosh on here, it's not a leather swoosh. It is a nubuck suede type swoosh that you got on here. To the naked eye, it could seem leather, but it is nubuck. So that's a nice touch as well. I'm pretty sure the highs was like that as well. So that being said, thank you for joining another video. If you stayed all the way to the end, I appreciate you. All my OGs, thank you for tuning back in. All my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. And like I said, hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when I do drop new videos. So at this time, I want to hit you with that on feet. And until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rock money enough.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shout to DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to hit the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one, done one. I'm so what this world, they say I'm gone, gone.